Hello everyone. Before I get to the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Bazrina Shazariel. I will explain about the inside a computer. Have you ever looked inside a computer case or see a picture of what inside? The small part may look complicated, but the inside of a computer case is not all that mysterious. This lesson will help you master some basic terminology and understand more about what happens inside a computer. Cover. There is mainboard, CPU or processor, RAM, hardware, power supply unit, and explanation card. There is video card, sound card, network card, and Bluetooth card. The mainboard. The motherboard is the computer main circuit board. This a, this a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory connector of hard drive, and optical drive. Ex- expansion cards for controlling video and audio, and connection to your computer port, such as USB port. The motherboard is connected directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. Next, CPU processor. The central processing unit CPU, also called the processor, is located inside the computer casing on the motherboard, is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and this job is to carry out command. Every time you press a key, click a mouse, or start an application, you send instruction to the CPU. The CPU is usually a 2-in ceramic square with a silicon chip located inside. The chip is usually the size of a thumbnail. The CPU fits into the motherboard CPU socket, which is covered by a heatsink and object the absorbed heat from the CPU. Next, RAM or random access memory. RAM is your system stored the memory every time your computer performs a calculation. It will temporarily store the data in RAM until it is needed. RAM is measured in megabyte or gigabyte. The memory RAM you have, the more things your computer can be simultaneously. If you don't have enough RAM, you may notice that your computer is slow when you open some program. Therefore, many people add extra RAM to their computer to improve performance. Next, hardware. A hardware drive is where software, document, other files are stored. Hard drive is a long-term storage, meaning data remains stored even if the computer is turned off or unplugged. When you run a program or open a file, the computer copies some data from the hard drive to RAM. When you have a file, the data is copied back to the hard drive. Okay, next, power supply unit. The power supply unit is a computer converts power from the wall outlet into the type of power needed by the computer. It sends power through cables to the motherboard and other components. And the last explanation card. Explanation Explanation card, there is video card, sound card, network card, Bluetooth card. Video card. The video card is responsible for what you see on the monitor. Most computers have a GPU, graphic processing unit, built into the motherboard rather than having a separate video card. Sound card. The sound card, also called the audio card, is responsible for what you heard on your speaker or headphones. Most motherboards have integrated sound, but you can upgrade to a dedicated sound card to get higher quality sound. Network card. Network card. The network card allow your computer to communicate over a network and access the internet. It can be connected with an cable or via a wireless connection. Bluetooth card. Bluetooth card is a technology for short-range wireless communication. It is often used in computers to communicate with wireless keyboard, mice, and printer. It is usually is installed on the motherboard or included in a wireless network card. Maybe Napier. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.